much and a very good afternoon to you all. The country head ANZ Fiji and head of Commercial Pacific, Mr. Minam, ANZ staff, foundation members, senior officials, our own oncology staff and management, media partners, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And I must say we are all indeed delighted to see this newly refurbished oncology ward, and I think we'll all agree it looks wonderful. I remember I came here I guess about 6 months ago, and I was trying to figure out, is it the same room I came or it's a different? So totally different, awesome, thank you very much. And indeed I've had the honor to officiate many other events of the wonderful work done by the dedicated team at ANZ, and for their tremendous support. I still remember Savu, I still remember Lambasa, and there's a ward upstairs, yes. Yep. So, and we'd like to thank you for your ongoing support in trying to help us in improving our health facilities. You'll all agree if I say that many of our facilities has been neglected for decades and decades, and well, this is a positive step and it's in the right direction, okay? And I always believe that we must leave the past behind and move forward, and these are the ways that we can move forward. So over the past 12 years, the ANZ Staff Foundation, in partnership with my ministry, has completed a number of refurbishments in many of our health facilities around the country. And today we mark another one, and that is here at CWM Oncology Ward. And of course, the wonderful changes that we see, ladies and gentlemen, is definitely going to bring about a more comfortable environment where our cancer patients can receive counseling, treatment, and of course recover in a much homely environment. So thank you very much for that. So again, on behalf of the government and the ministry, I'd once again like to say a big thank you, Saud, you and your team, for your unwavering commitment and support towards the undertaking of many renovation and refurbishment work, and I'm sure this partnership is going to go a long way, and I'm sure you will be with us in this venture. It's also pleasing to note, ladies and gentlemen, that ANZ has been a key player in supporting the oncology unit ward in recent years. They have donated 4 new beds, of course, like I said, to bring more comfort for our patients, and funded the installation of the new air conditioning systems. This refurbishment has indeed given a new look and image to this ward, and again, which will be both appealing to the patients and their families who will use the services provided here. So thank you again, thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, the oncology serves about 10 to 15 patients in a day, and we all know that cancer has become one of the most, one of the life-threatening diseases in the country. Of course, it has also become a global epidemic and affects people of all ages. Cancer cases in Fiji has steadily increased over the past several years, and it is now the 3rd most common cause of deaths in Fiji. And indeed, that's very serious and alarming. And statistics also reveal the same. Support through the corporate sector, of course, will go a long way in ensuring that proper care and treatment is provided to those who reach out to this unit. And ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of the efforts made by the ministry to embark on programs and to deliver services, we have recently seen great responses and partnership developed between the governments and the FBOs, the NGOs, and the corporate sector, both locally as well as internationally. And of course, we must never lose sight of whatever little progress we make, and together we must be determined that we have to go beyond all our means to ensure that we take services to the next level. So today we celebrate the partnership with ANZ once again, and of course partnerships have the potential to unleash greater things, new opportunities, and that's exactly what we are witnessing. Contributions and corporate sector bodies coming on board to assist us actually also shows the exemplary leadership within corporate organizations, and the perseverance to to give back something to the society as part of the corporate social responsibility. And we are sincerely grateful to that. And I'm sure today's program will once again cement our strong and everlasting friendship that has nourished over the years, and we expect it to nourish further in the coming years. So thank you very much. A big Vinaka Vakalevu ANZ South Union team, and I'm sure the prayers of the patients and their families will bless you all. And I understand that ANZ has also been a very supporting and a key player in raising Pinktober awareness. Okay, and also the 16 days of activism to eliminate violence against women. And so I'd like to thank you for that. And again, this October, I'm sure we will embark on another great awareness program on breast cancer. And there's still a lot of work that is needed to bring about that awareness amongst our population, whether it be men and women. We know breast cancer affects not only the women, but the family as a whole. So we will need to provide that support and encouragement for women to come forward and have tests and examinations. So I strongly believe, and I think my ministry also strongly believes, that we can achieve much more if we walk in unity and if we are seriously committed to making a difference in the lives of our fellow Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, health, of course, like I always say, is the responsibility of everyone. But when they reach health facilities and when they reach the hospitals, of course, there's a greater need for us to provide our patients with a good service delivery. And yes, this is a great example of that. And it doesn't stop here. There's always work in progress. So all in all, thank you very much to the staff of the oncology unit. Thank you very much for the work that you do. And to ANZ and the staff present here, if I may say thank you very much, not only from the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, but from the family and the patients who will be accessing this ward for the services. So keep up the good work, and let us all unite to provide the best care to our fellow Fijians. Thank you very much.